We are experiencing some technical difficulties, but I'm here to remind you guys that you are not allowed to take a video of what's going to be shown on screen. Okay, the optical media board is here, and if they catch you doing anything like that, you'd have to pay the fine. There is a penalty for that. Okay, guys? There you go.
But you can take photos. Ladies and gentlemen, you can take photos and hashtag Blood Ransom Movie, and that's why we're having a delay, because the person who viewed the film is enjoying too much. So that's why. So we are just waiting for him to finish the film, and then we will have the film in a few minutes. But guys, tsaka yung balloons doon, kulang daw. Crystal? Crystal, there. There, kulang exclamation point. Yun. But guys, let's give a big warm round of applause to the fans of Anne and the fans of Alex who are here to support the film. So don't forget, everybody, spread the word on social media kung gaano kaganda itong pelikulang to. Dahil I'm sure, napakaganda because they really worked hard for it. How many years did you guys shoot this? 15 years nilang sinunod yung movie. Ayan. Dati si Baby Jazz, ngayon ganito na si Anna. Si Mommy Kurt, where's Mommy Kurt? She's in Australia. Okay, but I love it because it's a different kind of movie premiere. Una-una, we're in Resorts World. Thank you so much to our friends from Resorts World, Achua. Thank you so much for housing us here in this beautiful, big Newport Performing Arts Theater. And to all of Anne's friends, we're all here. Hello, Solen. Hello, Belly. Yan, di ba? Hello, Monique. What's your movie? You have them. Okay yan, di ba? Yan, we have, of course, here also. And of course, PJ Pascual, our favorites. Andito ang Showtime family. Hello, Showtime family. Mga magpasikat, di ba? Kanina, may nakita ko mga malaking cheque na mayroon magpasikat. Of course, Daddy Kurt. Daddy Kurt. Daddy Kurt is here to give us full support. Diba? Everybody's here, including the technician. Thank you, technician. Ayan. But, you know, he left us in suspense because it said there, ayan, it was a difficult time for Crystal. And at that time, it was, I think we're about ready to start the film. Are we? For Filipino art, for Swatch 25 BenCab coming up soon. Yeah, of course. And who else is here? Everybody. Hello, Sam, and hello, Jasmine. Jasmine, hello, Jasmine. Yeah, the whole family. Where is the youngest Curtis Smith? The baby brother Kurt. There's the baby, huh? He's in Australia too. Okay, Alex, where is baby Alex? You have a baby Alex?
I have a baby brother, yeah.
A baby brother. Guys, the baby brother of Alex is in California. But he gives us full support. Is that James Reed? James Reed! Hello, James. The Viva family is here also. Who's from Viva? Raise your hand. Hello, Viva people.
It's everyone right there.
Exactly.
Right in the middle.
Yes. And Tessa, there's Tessa. Oh, it's not Tessa. It's John Santos. Akala ko si Tessa. Because Resorts World has a lot of plays and musicals that we have to watch out for. Sean Anthony's here, my favorite basketball player. He's going to teach me how to play basketball later. Right? Okay. Pare, ingat. Hello.
Susubukan ko sirain yung moment po, bro.
VJ Josh Padilla. Hello, VJ Josh.
Hi, good evening.
Good evening to you.
Yes.
Are you excited to watch the film?
Of course. Who wouldn't be?
Okay, what is the film about?
It is about Crystal and...
Oh, synopsis. Basahin mo.
Synopsis nandito. Okay. So, Blood Ransom.
Yes.
Romantic thriller.
I like romance. I love thriller.
Okay. So, the love story...
Erwan is here! Erwan! He inspires me to work out, you know. Like, I want to run right now because of Erwan.
Tara, jogging na live na yun, oh.
Erwan talaga, ibang klase. But anyway, I super applaud and respect the effort of Anne for flying to LA to do the audition. He did tell all of us that she really wanted to, work it out to make sure that she really earns her stripes, diba?
Yes, that's true. That's true. Talagang next level.